हेलो एवरीवन, वैदिक मैथ्स की मेथड में आज हम देखेंगे बेस मेथड ऑफ स्क्वायर। किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना बेस मेथड की हेल्प से। वी विल डू 3 क्वेश्चंस हियर। फर्स्ट, सपोज वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ 94. सो व्हाट इज द बेस फॉर 94? द बेस इज 100. Now in this we will see what is the difference between 94 and 100. So 94 is 6 digit lesser than 100. So we will write the difference. For this question we are writing, but this step you have to keep in your mind. 94 100 से कितना digit कम है? 6 digit. We have written here 06. Why 06? Because in the base we have 2 zeros. तो जितने zeros base में होते हैं उतने digit का हमें difference लिखना होता है. Now directly we will write the answer here. See how to write the answer. We will do it in 2 parts. In the second part we will square the difference. Difference हमारा है 6. So 6 square is 36. And in this first part, we will subtract 6 from this 94. And why subtraction? Because 94 is lesser than the base. So 94 base से छोटा है, कम है, इसीलिए हम 94 में से जितना डिफरेंस है उसको subtract करेंगे. So 94 minus 6. So 94 minus 6, that is 88. So here we get our answer. 94 square is 8836. Let's take another example. Suppose we want to find the square of 98. So what is the base? Same, base is 100. Now what is the difference between 98 and 100? So 98 is 2 digit lesser than the base. So we will write here 02. Okay. Now same thing we will do in 2 parts. Here we write the square of the difference. So square of the difference is 04. Why we have written here 04? Because in this base we have 2 zeros. So we have to write here 04. And we have to subtract this difference from this number. So 98 minus 2. So 98 minus 2, that is 96. So here we get our answer. 98 square is 9604. Let's take another example. Suppose we want to find the square of 88. So what is the base for this 88? Same, base is 100. What is the difference between 88 and 100? So 88 is 12 digit lesser than the 100. So we will write here the difference. Same, we will write the answer in 2 parts. In the second part, we will write the square of this difference. So square of the difference is 144. And in the first part, we will subtract 88 minus 12. So 88 minus 12, that is 76. But here is one twist. What is the twist? In the second part, we have seen that here is 3 digit. And what I am trying to say that जितने zero base में होते हैं इस part में उतने ही digit होना चाहिए. We have this one extra digit, so this one carry over to the next digit, means we will add 1. So what we will write the answer, the last 2 digit 44 as it is, this one carry over to the 76. So 76 plus 1, that is 77. So here we got our answer 7744. These all types of question are below the base. Watch my next video. We will find the square of using base method above the base. I hope you understand the process. Thank you so much.